Hey guys, welcome back to College's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my oven jerk barbecue chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about College's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's College's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CollegeKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have some vegetable oil. I also have some soya sauce, my chicken, and I also have a combination of all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, and some black pepper. And I also have my jerk seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and add the vegetable oil and also the soya sauce, and you add in the vegetable oil so that when you put it in the oven, it doesn't dry out quickly. I'm also going to go ahead, as you all know, I love to combine my seasoning together. So I'm going to combine all of the seasoning together, then I'm going to pour it over the chicken. Then I'm going to go in and add my jerk seasoning. And I want to get all of the jerk seasoning out of the jar. Then I'm going to use my hand to just combine the seasoning and the chicken together. And I know some of you don't like to feel the chicken on your hand, but you can go ahead and just put on the gloves if you don't like to feel the chicken, alright? So once I'm finished seasoning, I'm going to put it in the fridge for roughly about 3 hours. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys what I'm going to do, alright? So stay tuned for all of that. So after 3 hours, it's time to go ahead and start preparing my oven jerk barbecue chicken. So as you can see, I lined my baking tray with foil paper. And I'm just going to go ahead and just place my chicken in my baking tray. Then I went ahead and preheated my oven at 250 degrees. And I'm just going to place this in the oven for roughly about 20 minutes to 25 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and place it in the oven as I said before. And this is what it looks like after 25 minutes. So as usual, we're going to turn them over on the other side, because we want the other side to catch nice color as well. Then I'm just going to place it back in the oven for about another 17 minutes. And while it's in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and make the sauce for my chicken, alright? So now I'm going to make the sauce as I said earlier. So this is the seasoning from the chicken, and I also have some tomato ketchup, and I also have some sugar. So I'm going to combine everything together. And you always want to taste just in case it needs something else, alright? And it can need some more soya sauce, or you can go in and add some molasses. So I'm just going to put this to the side until I'm ready to pour it over my chicken, alright? So now it's time to go ahead and baste my chicken with the sauce that I made. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour it over it. If you guys have a brush at home, you can go in and just use the brush to just brush the sauce all over it. So once I added the sauce all over the chicken, I'm just going to place it back in the oven for roughly another 10 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final product. So this took me about 45 minutes. So guys, after the 10 minutes, this is what my jerk barbecue chicken looks like. As you can see, really nice. I'm gonna serve this up with some fried rice, some steamed callaloo, and show you guys the final product in a minute, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my oven jerk barbecue chicken. As you can see, really nice. So I'm just gonna have this and then I will just rest for the afternoon. So I hope you guys enjoy this easy and quick recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out at home. Remember to turn on your post notification and remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to leave a comment and like. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.